Mailtime Map Update Monday with Papa Texas. I'm Big Crazy John with Big Crazy Outdoor Adventures, and we are inside today, not outside. And that's okay, especially since I have a fun channel to introduce to you today. If you missed my first video where I talked about the map, the stickers, and what this whole process is, I'll have that video linked in the description. But the short version of what this is it's an opportunity for YouTube channels to collaborate and send each other stickers, and I'll talk about their channel and they'll talk about my channel to our respective audiences. So it's a great opportunity to collaborate, and I enjoy it. So the next sticker that I received was Papa Texas. You can see here it is definitely a unique sticker. You can see the sticker is unique because it's in the shape of the state of Texas. It has the Texas flag in the background. It's got the Lone Star. It has Papa Texas' name across the top. It says subscribe and YouTube at the bottom. And on the back of the sticker, he wrote, sending a channel sticker to support Texas. And I'll say this as closely as he does in the introduction of his videos. It's Papa Texas. And so then he also wrote Texas Strong. So I think that's an awesome sticker. I like how it's a unique shape, because it's in the shape of Texas. So he's going to reside there in Texas. So I read on his About channel, it's McKinney, Texas, which I looked up, and it actually looks like it's pretty close to, maybe it's a suburb of Dallas. It looks like it's northern Dallas, really close to Dallas. So there's that. So Papa Texas also sent me this letter opener. You can see there it says Papa Texas, YouTube, Instagram, subscribe. So thanks, Papa, for sending that. I appreciate that. I'll use that. Some of the videos I like to watch on his channel are a lot of it's around YouTube support, and a lot of cooking videos I like watching. And so recently, I actually had a video that was called 10 Steps and Channels Helping with YouTube's new rules for monetization. And the first step I had was participate with Papa Texas. And I think there's 2 videos I had related to that. And one of them was, let's see if this video can help your channel out. And so go check out my video, the 10 steps, if you haven't seen that, and go check out that one too. But also, just on this topic, he just posted a video this evening, a new video about, and the title is how to gain subscribers in contest update. So he directed us to one of his videos titled "Quick Way to Gain YouTube Subscribers," and he said it's got about 1,300 plus comments. And he suggested that we go, if we're wanting to get subscribers, because I know there's a lot of folks that are really close to 1,000 subscribers. I'm not, and I'm not close to the hours either. But I'm in it for the long haul here. So this video is basically an opportunity for YouTube channels to introduce each other. So he had suggested go and make a comment on the video, and you may find other channels that are in your area or something that's of your interest. So I noticed there's a number of channels out there, outdoor channels, car channels, garage channels, fabricating channels, blacksmithing, homesteading, all kinds of stuff. And I actually found another channel that was outdoor adventure related. So I subscribed and left a comment on their channel, and I'll be watching those videos. So I left a comment as well, and I've already gotten a subscriber. So this process seems to work. And I'm looking at it as more of an opportunity to introduce my channel and get to know other channels and participate with those channels. I generally want to comment and participate with channels. So there's that. So he also has a contest going on. He just posted this video where he's describing the contest winners on his other channel. so he has a Papa Texas Unfiltered channel, and that's where he kind of described the, I think there's 10 winners that got this, this Cajun seasoning. I think it's Beazell's Cajun seasoning. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And those channels, I believe, are going to be making videos with this Cajun seasoning. And the second part of this contest, I believe, is to go watch those channels, the videos that they make, and comment and participate with those videos. So I think he's going to have more information on that portion of the contest coming up soon. So I think he was trying to get the first portion of this as far as getting the seasoning out to those channels, and it sounded like there was 20 channels that wanted to participate, but I think he only had 10 bottles of the seasoning. So on that topic, he has a lot of cooking videos, and I've enjoyed watching some of those. In fact, I watched one today. I was kind of curious what's his top rated video, or top video with the most views. And so I found a video, and it's titled Breakfast Discada on the Disco, Texas style. So that video is he's making breakfast on this this disc. I think it's called a discado, and that's interesting. It looks like an awesome breakfast. I would have enjoyed. So that video, I think, has about, I don't know, like 190,000. I don't have it noted here. I think it's got about 190,000 views. It's almost 200,000 views, which is amazing. And I don't know if it was, I was looking at the tags on the video, and there's a couple high-ranking tags that he used, something like Texas breakfast and Discado breakfast, and some things around that Discado, that metal disc that he's cooking on. So it's interesting. So food is definitely an area of YouTube popularity, I guess. So I noticed some of the playlists he has on his channel, and some of those are the Beazell's contest, which is related to that contest I just mentioned. YouTube tips, Papa Texas shoutouts, Papa's Kitchen, Papa Texas, Mail Call, Papa's Reviews, Vlogs, Green Soap, Papa Texas Fest, there's The Garden, and Funny, and Mud Trucks. So I think is kind of more of his focus is recently, from what I've seen from the videos I've watched, have really been around food, and around YouTube tips and YouTube collaborations and things of this nature. So here's a part of his About section on YouTube and what it states. So it starts off with McKinney, Texas, and then it says outdoor cooking, garden updates, restaurant reviews, unboxing, DIY, vlogs, woodworking, camping, fishing, down-to-earth uploads of me, my granddaughters, and other things that happen in our life, Texas. So according to Social Blade, his channel has 377 uploads, 6,086 subscribers, 352,628 views, and he created the YouTube channel on May 9th, 2013. So that is Papa's Texas. That's a sticker. That's a little bit about his channel. Please go check out his channel. The link will be in the description. If you have a sticker you want to trade with me and we can share our channels with our respective audiences, that would be great. I would appreciate that. So please send a sticker to me at Big Crazy John, P.O. Box 510031, St. Louis, Missouri 63151, and that address will be in the description. And remember, get outside and have some fun. Thanks for watching.